Hey guys, my name is Andrew Carroll. I'm really excited to be with you guys and share a little bit more about what I've been doing and working on throughout the semester. A lot of you may have seen on my page Dates Made Simple, and that's what I've been working on mainly for this class throughout the semester, but I got permission and want to show you guys a little bit more about what I've been doing with my IBC company, Silver Lining. So a lot of you guys might have heard about us or even seen us or even follow us on social media. We try to post a lot. We did 62 posts over the whole course of the semester and about 196 stories as well. So just over 250 posts throughout the whole semester. And we also got tagged in a lot of posts from our different models and influencers. Over 100 stories and 35 different posts from influencers throughout the semester. And so we tried to post at least once per day, and averages about 3 stories per day, 2 ads every 3 weeks. Those would be paid ads, and then also 15 influencer posts per week was a goal we had. And so we focused on high quality content and images where our audience could see themselves and imagine themselves as the model, as you can see in our photo here. The growth we saw on our page, we started our page on October 12th. And we had 0 followers at that point, and now we have grown to over 1,600 followers. So just over 26 followers per day. It's been so cool being able to see that growth. Now we're averaging about 90 likes per post for each of our posts here. And we try and do more stories each day, more use of emojis and hashtags, and trying out different hashtags. And our whole page is really matured here. And you can see kind of the pre-layout that there's a lot of pictures of jewelry, bulk content, and then in this class I learned about different patterns, and you can see the pattern that I chose for our social media, kind of jewelry model, and it's a lot more aesthetically pleasing. Our audience demographic was females who live in Rexburg, ages 18 to 25, and I think we really nailed that on the head. Here you can see 74% of our followers were women. A large portion of those were in Rexburg, and then 61% fall in that age range of 18 to 24. We also would get a lot of impressions from just our stories, on average about 500 for most of the stories that we posted. And then we saw a lot of return on investment with actual people coming to the booth to purchase. We'd ask how they heard about us, and a lot of people would say Instagram. So we saw a lot of ROI. We were trying to reach out to new accounts each week, new models. And then with those paid ads that we created throughout the semester, we had 4 paid ads throughout the whole semester, which each ad averaged about 11,000 impressions. And we paid on average about $60 for those, about 20 cents cost per click. So it's just been a tremendous experience, learned a ton, and I'm really proud to show what I've achieved with our Silver Lining company.